Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Domain points to your host, and you have SSH/SFTP credentials. Next, build a production bundle with npm run build so files are optimized and smaller. Once done, choose Transfer, SFTP for direct upload, or push to the server's Git remote for automated deploy. This ensures atomic updates. Make sure permissions allow write to the web root. If you use environment files, copy the production. Env now so the app can read runtime secrets. Now you configure the server environment so your app runs reliably. Install the correct runtime or pull your Docker image so dependencies match production. This prevents runtime errors. Then set up a process manager, PM2 or systemd, so the app restarts on crash and on boot. Next, configure Nginx or Apache as a reverse proxy and obtain SSL. Make sure to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Finally, test ports and firewall rules so external traffic reaches your service without blocking. Finish by running comprehensive tests. Hit your main endpoints, validate UI flows, and inspect logs for startup errors. Once done, monitor response times and resource usage for a few minutes to catch memory leaks or slow queries. If something fails, use your rollback plan and redeploy the previous release. This minimizes downtime. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app crashes at boot, check environment variables and file permissions first. Missing env keys or zero file permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.